church that you see behind me is the Basilica of St. Peter's. Or technically, the new Basilica of St. Peter's, not to be confused with the old Basilica. The old Basilica was consecrated in the year 326 AD under the reign of a Roman emperor named Constantine to mark the burial place of St. Peter, the first pope and the vicar of Christ. And that old church lasted all the way up to the beginning of the 16th century when it was demolished under the reign of a pope named Julius II. And it was Julius who asked the great Renaissance architect Bramante to knock down the old church and begin the construction of the new one. Now, this new church would take 120 years to complete and would involve the reign of 18 different popes and 12 different architects, eventually becoming the global capital of the religion that we call Catholicism today. And to my left-hand side, you can see those structures in the distance. That is the Apostolic Palace. That technically is the residence of the popes today. And just beyond are the Vatican museums and the Sistine Chapel as well.